Day 2 at Philbeck, Cebu. Daghan gyud kaayong chika ug storya with builders, homeowners and architects ng ani agi sabot. We featured our innovative construction solutions from tile and stone installation systems to flooring systems. Salamat sa lahat ng dumaan at nakipagkwentuhan sa amin. Mas lalo pa kaming excited para sa Day 2. Visit us at booth 1012 hanggang September 14. See you!